Well, good morning to you out there. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Today's words of encouragement. No progress can be found taking the easy road. Yes, folks, I contend there's two roads in life, the easy road and the hard road. And I'm telling you right now, everybody shies away from that hard road. But that hard road is the one you need to take if you want to succeed. Yes, hard can be good. Hard is the things that you don't want to do when you jump out of your comfort zone. But they lead to the greatest opportunities and the greatest success. You're not going to find progress in taking the easy road. But unfortunately, these days, people see these professional athletes on TV and they think, man, they were born that way. They got these great talents. No, folks, they worked on it. They took the hard road to get to where they're at. It wasn't easy. You need to take the hard road. Thank you for listening to this podcast, and be sure to get our complete podcast every Wednesday. Have a great day.